Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram messages on iPhone. There are three methods. The first one, recover deleted Instagram messages on iPhone via Instagram data. This is the most comprehensive way to recover deleted Instagram messages, as it includes all of your messages, posts, and stories. Using this method, you can request Instagram to recover your data, but it can take up to 48 hours for Instagram to process your request, so it's not the fastest option. To recover deleted, go to your Instagram profile and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on your activity. Scroll down and tap on Download Your Information. Then, tap on Request Download. Now, enter your email address. Instagram will now prepare your data and send it to your email. Then, check your email and download the data file provided by Instagram. And now, go to the Messages folder and you will be able to see your recovered messages there. The second method, restore deleted Instagram messages on iPhone with Chat Partner. When you've deleted a chat and desperately trying to recover it, there is a simple thing you can do. Reach out to the person you were chatting with and kindly ask them to send you the deleted messages if they still have it. It's like having a backup copy from your chat partner. Method 3. Recover Instagram messages on computer or iPhone without backup. If you don't want to use the previous methods, we have a reliable and safe solution to directly see the deleted messages on Instagram and recover deleted Instagram messages on computer without backup. Following are the detailed steps on how to see deleted messages on Instagram and how to retrieve deleted Instagram messages on iPhone, iPad, or computer. Your deleted Instagram messages are sent to recently deleted section right after you delete them. They are kept there for 30 days, after which they are gone forever. You have access to the deleted messages within those 30 days. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.